Well, hello there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Nichols and Topsy Monkey. And we are now, it's book number 6. And this is the first lesson. And as you already know, the first lesson is that we build our words that are going to show up in this story, okay? So, we are still working on the short vowel I. Here it is right here. We have the uppercase or the capital I, the lowercase I, and we have a picture of an igloo, which is a sound picture cue to help us to remember the sound that the I makes. Igloo. So in case you should forget the sound of the I, think of igloo. Okay, that's what this is used for. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our building our words. All right, so first we need to talk about the letters and the sounds that they make, okay? So identify letters and sounds. This is the letter D, which makes the sound of D, D. F, H, I, we already know. M, M, P, P. Uppercase S, S. Lowercase s, S. And uppercase T, T. So that means that we should have some characters in this story since we have an uppercase S and an uppercase T, or otherwise known as capital S, capital T. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and build these words. And I'm bringing my lesson plan over here so I can see it better. All right, here we go. We're going to start with, we're going to go ahead and build starting with an I and a D. And this is pronounced id. Id. Now we're going to add the consonant letter D in front of id. And now this word is did. Did. All right, let's take away the D, replace that first D with an uppercase S, and we're going to have someone's name. This person's name is Sid. Sid. All right, let's take away the S. Well, actually, let's start again. We have did and Sid. Let's start with, let's go ahead and begin again. We're going to go with an I and an S. And this is. So we have did, Sid, is. But we're not going to be adding anything in front of is. We just need to recognize the fact that this word is. And it starts with the short I. All right, let's continue on. Now what we're going to have here, instead of having an S, we're going to replace the S with an M. And this word chunk is M. It's not a word, okay? But we need to know that this word chunk is M. And so we're going to add a letter to it to make it into a word. We're going to add the letter H. We're going to blend the sounds of with M, and we get the word him. Him. Now we're going to replace the H with a uppercase T or capital T. We're going to have another name. This name is Tim. Tim. So in the story, you're going to have Sid and Tim, 2 characters in the story. All right. Now, instead of having an M here, we're going to replace it with an F. So we're going to have I, F, and this word is, and it's not a word chunk, it's a word, if. If. We're going to add a T in front of it, an uppercase T, so we're going to have another name. Tiff. Tiff. Now this could be a girl. It could be a short for the name Tiffany. I don't know, but we'll find out when we read the story, okay? And then we again are going to create another word. We're going to have short I with a P. So the word chunk here is ip. Ip. And we're going to add an uppercase T. Tip. Tip. Now this could be a boy, it could be a girl, or it could be a pet. So could Tiff. So could Sid or Tim. Any of these could be. We won't know until we read the story. All right, let's go ahead and go back over these names and words so we're prepared to read the story in part 2. All right, so let me go ahead and close this up, this marker. And let's use the marker as a pointer, and let's go ahead and go over these. We have did, Sid, is, him, Tim, and then we have Tiff and Tip. All right. So we are just about ready to read the story, right? All right, come back for part 2, and let's read that story. Book number 6. All right, Tops and I saying bye. Bye-bye.